Yes, hello everyone. I'm going to be drawing the roof part now for the um, sectioning. Okay, so in the previous video we did this, we did the foundation. So this is the foundation. I've explained how to do this. So we want to continue using this foundation now to draw the roof now. So that is the next thing we are going to be doing. So we'll look at our specification now. From the specification given to us, now we will see here that the floor to ceiling height space is 3,100. The floor to ceiling height, so from this floor now I'm going to take 3,100, and don't forget that we are drawing to scale. So 3,100 divided by 500, we are drawing to scale 1 to 50. That is why not 1 to 100 again, where we will be dividing by 1000 to convert to scale and to centimeter. Okay, but here now we are using scale 1 to 50, so we are converting to scale. Okay, drawing in a scale and also converting to the centimeter because we are using centimeter rule. Okay, so that should be 6.2, 3,100 divided by 500, 6.2. So from this floor now I'm going to take, let me take it at this size, 6.2. So if this is my 6.2, that is 6.2 over there. Okay, I'll take from here now. Okay, then we have this. So this is the floor to the ceiling. Now the next thing I'm going to be indicating now is the ceiling joist, and in the specification we are not given the ceiling joist. So the ceiling joist is directly above the ceiling here. So you just let's just take 0.2 to show the ceiling joist, like that. So that is the ceiling joist. So let me indicate it there, so we can just have something like this, so we have that. So at this point here we'll be having the wall plate. So this is the wall plate. Okay, then we have the wall plate at this other side as well. Wall plate. Okay, so we have that now as the wall plate. So now we are going to indicate the roof. Now we are given in the specification 25-degree pitch, so we'll pick that from the wall plate. Okay, from the wall plate there, because the roof will be resting on the wall plate at this point and at the other side. So I'll put it this way now, such that this zero, you see this zero is in alignment with this line here, and also at 90 degree here. So the angle of the pitch given to us, pitch roof, is 25. So I will measure, this will be my 25. Okay, 25. So what I'm going to do now, put my ruler, I will, from this part here, the wall plate there, then I'm going to draw that. Okay, so I hope we can see that now. So I will draw the same thing for this other side, at this other side too. So we take 25. So this is 10, 20, 25. So that is 25. Okay, so we have it this way. So the next thing I will need to show now is the if I've done this. So the if is the projection. Okay, we talk about if the other time is the projection, okay, from the roof to the wall, okay, at this side. And if you look at the specification, the if is given to us. Actually, the eave is given to us. We have 700 eaves projection from the external wall. That is from this external wall now. The eave projection is 700. So if I take 700 to scale and to centimeter, that should be giving us 1.4. So that will be 1.4. So from what we are going to do is that to take the eave now from this external wall, I'm going to take 1.4 to where the roof elapse. Okay, so I will just go this way, so this is 1.4 to this part here, 1.4. Okay, so this is 1.4. Okay, so this is the E projection at this point here. So that is where we have the roof span to. Then this point also I will take the 1.4. Okay, so this is the 1.4. So at this point here, on that side. Okay, so from this part now, I'll produce a vertical line up from this part this way. Just produce a vertical line up that way. Then I'll do likewise here at this point. Let me extend this line this way so it can be of help. So I will draw a vertical line up that way. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, so the next thing I will do now, so I will just draw a thin continuous line from this eave to this other one here. Okay, to link them up together this way. Okay, like we have at this point here. Okay, so this will be our eave projection at this side as well. This is the eave projection. Okay, so let me remove this SS line so that it will not confuse us. So let me remove this SS line here at this part here. Okay, and at this part as well. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to show now, I'm going to be drawing the rafters. The rafter is 150 by 50. Rafter is 150 by 50. So the rafter is going to be directly on this line now, on this part now. So I want to indicate the rafter 150. If we divide 150 by 500 is giving us 0.3. 0.3. So here I'm going to take 0.3 from here. 1, 2, 3. So this is 0.3 right here. Then I'll take the same thing at this point as well. The 0.3 1, 2, 3. So at this point here, so this is the 0.3. So what I'm going to do now, we place a set square this way, place the set square this way, then you are going to slide the set square until you get to that 0.3. Okay, that dotted point. So just slide like this, or let me move it a little up so that you can be able to draw the complete line. So at this point now, so here now, produce this, then I'll do for the other side, then for the other side as well. So like this, move it to the point there, then I'm going to draw this way. So I hope you can see this now. So we have it this way. So the thickness of the rafter is 50, 150 by 50. So at this point now, we're going to take the thickness. So the thickness of that is 50 divided by 500. So that should give us 0.1. So that's just for the thickness. So we'll put 0.1. like this to show the thickness is a small thickness that way. So we'll put this is 0.1 as a thickness there. Then we have for this side as well. So what I did at this side now is to take this 0.1, that's 0.1. okay, so that's the thickness for that. So this is the rafter. So the next thing I'm going to be drawing now, I'm going to indicate the purlin. So purlin is directly on this rafter now. So that is the purlin. So let me extend this line a little. Let me extend this line a little so it will be visible like that. So I will clean the excess construction line out of it later. So the purlin is 100 by 50. So I'm going to say this 100 divided by 500. So the 100 divided by 500 is going to give us 0.2. okay, 0.2. So I will take 0.2 from this top here. This is 0.2. So I'm going to draw the same way I drew the rafter. So just like this. So you have that drawn this way. Okay, then I will do the same thing at this side to 0.2. And this side, so I'll take 0.2. okay, so I will draw this way. Okay, so we have this. So let me indicate the purlin inside. So we come this way. Let me remove this extension line, SS extension line. Okay, so I'll indicate the purlin now. So you can just from this edge here. So if you have this place, this one connecting. Okay, so from here, let's just take it as equal spacing. So yeah, so we're going to then so we have this. So we do the same at this other side. So at this side, so we do the same thing. Okay, all right. So we have so this is the purlin. Okay, inside. Okay, that those wood inside the roof. So that is the purlin. So the next thing we are going to be showing now, we are going to be showing the roof material, the roof material like I showed us earlier in this floor plan. All these broken lines here. Okay, these broken lines here, they indicate the roof that is covering the whole building. Now this is the rafter, okay, where the ridge cap is placed. So this roof you can see is extending, shooting out of the building. So we are going to no particular dimension for that as well. So all we are just going to do now, we are going to be laying that on this purlin. So we can take, let's just take 0.5 from the purlin, here. So if we take this 0.5 here, okay, 0.5 like we have there. So project vertical line like that. So we do the same thing here, 0.5 at this side. So where we have the rafter getting to, so this 0.5. So I'm going to draw so I'm going to draw this like that as well. So we have that. Okay, then the thickness. So let me remove this SS construction line. Okay, so the next thing we are going to have now, okay, from here at any convenient distance or length. So let's just use 0.2. Okay, we want to show the roofing material. So I'm going to draw the same way I've been drawing others. Drawn. Okay, then I'll do the same thing for this side as well. Okay, so we have that for the this is the roofing material at both sides. Okay, then we're going to show the ridge cap now. For the ridge cap, no specification for the ridge cap, but we need to show it on the roof. So we are going to use assume dimension like we have been using earlier. So at this point, so from here, so let's just take let's use possibly 1 on this side and on this side 1 like that. Then we'll draw a vertical. Draw a vertical. Do it this way. Okay. Then we'll come to this side as well. This way. Then what we do now, just take equal measurements here. Let's use 0.5 here. Then on this part as well, 0.5. So we have this. Okay, so this from here to here, this is the bridge cap. I'm going to highlight it much more later, or let me just highlight that for us to see. So for this, okay, so that is the ridge cap. So I will highlight others later. Let me remove all these excess extension lines so that I can draw the king post, the struts, and some other features. So remove this excess construction line now. So to draw the struts, the king post, let me check if we are giving king post in the roof. We are not giving king post. There's no king post here. We're only giving the struts, so we have to get the king post first. So for the king post is always at this middle here. Okay, so I will just use let me just take a convenient dimension since we are not given. Okay, let's take 0.2. This 0.2 to this side, then 0.2, 1, 2, 0.2 to this side. Then I'm going to draw a vertical. So from that point there. Okay, so this is our king post. So we have the king post now. So the remaining thing for us to draw now, we are going to put in the struts. So I'm going to be fixing the struts now. To get the struts, okay, just from this king post, from the base of the king post, okay, just leave measure. Let's just use okay, 3, that is 30 millimeter. So let's draw vertical. So because I just want it to be equally spaced, so I will take 3 here, take 3 there, no particular distance from the king post down. The specification is 100 by 50, 100 by 50. So 100, if we take 100 to scale and to centimeter, that will give us 0.2, I think. Yes, that's 0.2. So from here now, measure 0.2, 0.12, 0.2. Okay, so I have this, draw that up like that. So I will do the same thing here. I will space it equally. At this other side, I use 3, that is 30 mm. At this part here, okay, I hope that is clear. So I can just take one more. So okay, so we have this now. So I'm going to complete the struts now by drawing this from here to this part, then from here to this part this way. Okay, so I will draw for this side as well. Okay, so we have this now. So this completes the strut. So what is just remaining now is for me to highlight the roof part now. I will highlight the roof part now, and also show the tie beam. Okay, the tie beam, no specification for that, so I can just take this just to show this. To show the tie beam. So I will just highlight the roof now and label the parts. Okay, so we'll do that now. For this side, let's start with the roofing materials. So this is the features of the roof. Okay, so the roof is completed now. So this is the with the labeling. I've put the labeling of the parts. This is the ridge cap. Then this is the corrugated roofing materials. So that's corrugated sheet. Then this is the purlin with the specification. The king post. This is the king post. Then the rafter, as we have here. Then the strut. Then this is the tie beam. Then wall plate, this is the wall plate at both sides, and at this side as well, this is the wall plate. Then the soffit here underneath here, as we also have it here as well. Then this extension, this is our eave projection here, and as we have it here also, the eave projection. Then the fascia board, this side is the fascia board. Okay, that's the fascia board. So that completes members of the roof. So I hope this is clear. So in my next video, I'm going to be making video of the inner section. Okay, by the time we are looking like this, so the parts that we are going to be seeing, which I'm going to be drawing in this place. So please watch out for that video and how it is done. Thank you very much for staying tuned. God bless you.